Hey guys, it's Lizzie and today is day 29. The edible perennial that I have for you today is the Chinese yam. This yam is hardy in zones 4 and 5. It is a vine that reproduces primarily vegetatively through aerial tubers and bulbous. Plants take 3 to 4 years to reach full maturity, though 1-year roots of well-grown plants can weigh more than 500 grams. The main problem with this plant is harvesting it. You have to dig deep. And the yam can be invasive if left unchecked. The tubers can be boiled, baked, fried, mashed, grated, and added to soup. They store well and for a long time, and can also be left in the ground and harvested as required in the winter, making it very suitable use for a staple food. Because yams produce a very vertical root, it is possible to grow a number of plants pretty close to each other. I hope you like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.